Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue. That was the last one we did. Now we are having this one. I think this one is very clear. I have delta x is pi over 2n, and xi is 0 plus pi over 2ni. Well, this is xi, and this is delta x. So a equals 0, and b minus a is pi over 2. So b equal pi over 2. Okay, so this one I can rewrite it. Limit n goes to infinity. Summation y equal 1 to n. I have xi square. So this is xi plus sine xi times delta x. Okay, so this will be the integral from 0 to pi over 2 x square plus sine x dx. And that will be what? X cubed over 3 minus cosine x from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, and that will be what? Pi cubed over 8 over 3. Cosine pi over 2 is 0 minus 0 minus cosine 0, which is 1. So that gives me what? Pi cubed over 24 plus 1, which is this one. Okay, so now we'll find f prime. F prime of x will be what? Just substitute. That will give me 5 over square root 1 plus 4 cosine square 3x times derivative of cosine 3x, which is minus 3 sine 3x, minus 5. Now we'll substitute the sine. Square root 1 plus 4 sine square times derivative of sine, which is cosine x. Now I substitute f prime pi over 2. F prime, capital F prime pi over 2. And at pi over 2, that will be 5 square root 1 plus 4 cosine square 3 pi over 2. Cosine 3 pi over 2 is what? Is 0. Huh? That will be 0 times minus 3 sine 3 pi over 2, which is minus 1 minus 0. Okay, that since cosine pi over 2 is 0. This will be 1. Who cares? Something times 0 will be 0. So that gives me what? 5 times 3, which is 15, which is this one. Integral, first I need to rewrite the function. That will be 3t squared plus t is minus 1 plus 6t is minus 4 dt. Integrate, I have t cubed minus 1 over t squared plus ln absolute value of t. This is t to the power minus 1, huh? I'll not add 1 or something. This is ln of minus or plus 6 over minus 3 times t is minus 3 plus c. So that will be what? T cubed. This one is minus 2 over t cubed plus ln absolute value of t plus c, which is this one. Simplified, that will be integral for x minus half plus x to the power 1 over 3 minus half dx. That give me what? Add 1, that will be 4 times 2x to the power half. This is what? X is minus 5, 1 over 6, huh? 1 over 6, okay. So that will be what? Add 1 give me 5 over 6. That will be 6 over 5, x to the power 5 over 6. Don't forget plus c. So it will be 8 square root of x plus 6 over 5, x 5 over 6. Okay. This one, I'm not sure we did it or not. Okay, let me do it again. That will be u to the power half minus 3 minus u to the power minus 2 dy. Y, I mean y, not u. Y is minus 5 over 2 minus y is minus 2 dy. Add 1 with minus 3 over 2, so that minus 2 over 3. Y is minus 3 over 2. This one will be plus y is minus 1 plus c. So that will be what? That will be 1 over y. This one is 1 over y to make it in the same order. Minus 2 over 3. This one, this is the minus sign, so it's 1 square root y cubed plus c, which is this. Sure we did it before or not. Okay. 3 to the power x plus 2 dx. That I can make it 3 to the power x times 3 square dx. And this 3 square, I can take it out. That will be 9 integral 3 to the power x dx, which is 9 times 3 to the power x over length 3 plus c, which is this one. This one I need to open square. I have 1 minus x square over x squared dx, which is 1 minus 2x plus x squared over x squared dx, which is x minus 2 over x. Well, let me write it. Minus 2 x minus 1 plus 1 dx. That will be minus 1 over x minus 2 ln plus x plus c, which is this one. Same thing, I need to open the square. That will be 1 minus square root of x all square over 4x squared dx. That will be what? 1 minus 2 square root of x plus x, which is square root of x squared over 4x squared dx. That will be 1 over 4 x minus 2 minus half x half minus 2, which is minus 3 over 2, plus 1 over 4 x minus 1 dx. Now do the integration. I have 1 over 4. This one is minus 1 over x. Okay. Minus half. I add 1 minus half. Let's see, it's here minus 2 x to the power minus half. This one plus 1 over 4 ln absolute value of x plus c. So it will be minus 1 over 4x plus 1 over square root of x with the minus sign plus 1 over 4 ln absolute value of x plus c, which is this one, the way they wrote it. Okay. That I need to differentiate this, the integral will kill this, so that will be what? That will be, this will kill this, so I have pi x minus cosine x over 1 plus x squared at from 0 to pi. From 0 to 1. Substitute, what you will get? You will get pi squared minus cosine pi over 1 plus x squared minus 0 minus cosine 0 over 1 plus 0 squared. That will be what? Pi square. Oh, sorry, this is pi square. I substitute x to be pi. Okay. So pi square, cosine pi is -1 plus 1 over 1 plus pi square minus cosine 0 is 1. So it will be -1 over 1. That will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. That. Okay. Okay. This one, easy one. E to the power x plus. I add 1 since it's x to the power n, where n is e minus 1. So you have 1 over e, x to the power e plus c. This I'm doing the integral, having the answer right away. Okay. This is Fundamental Theorem of Calculus. So first, I need to rewrite this one from 5 to tan x with the minus sign, t minus tan inverse t dt. Okay. That will give me what? Minus tan x minus tan inverse of tan x times derivative of tan, which is secant square. This is in this interval will be x. So that will be minus tan x minus x secant square x. So the answer is x secant square x minus tan x secant square. I rearrange this. I have the positive in the beginning. Okay. I want f of x plus a. So I need a and the function. How to find a? I will find a, substitute. Let me call it 1. A in 1. So that will kill the integral, so I can find a. So it will be 6. A to a, which is 0. Plus, that will be 2 square root of a. So I have 6 equal 2 square root of a. That implies 3 equals square root of a. So a equal 9. A is equal to 9. Plus. How to find f of x? To find f of x, differentiate both sides of 1. What you will get? Derivative of 6, 0. This one will be f of x over x squared. That will be 2, 1 over 2 square root of x, which is 1 over square root of x. So f of x will be x squared over square root of x, which is x to the power 3 over 2. In other words, cube root of x cubed. That will be f of x. So this one will be 9 plus cube root of x cubed, which is this one. Okay. Yeah, sometimes you need to be sure we did the calculations in the correct way. Okay. This one, a matter of calculation, 1 to 64. I have x to the power minus half plus x to the power 1 over 3 minus half dx, which is 1 to 64, x to the power minus half plus x to the power minus 1 over 6 dx. Integrate, add 1, that will be half, so that will be 2x to the power half. This one is what? Add 1, that will give me 5 over 6, that will be plus 6 over 5, x to the power 5 over 6, from 1 to 64. Substitute, that will be half times 8 plus 6 over 5 times what? Cube 6th root of 64. 64 is what? 2 to the power 6. So 6th root will be 2, so I have 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Minus 2 plus 6 over 5. which is, I substitute that one. So that, let me rewrite it, 4 plus 6 times 32 over 5 minus, this one is what? 2 plus 65. 2 plus 6 over 5. So the answer will be 2 plus 6, 31 over 5. What is 6 times 31? It will be 618 over 5. Did I do a mistake somewhere? Okay. 186 over 5. Wait a minute. This is 8. Sorry. This is square root of 64. This is 8. So this is 16. So this will be what? 16. This is 2. So that will be 14. This is what? 70. So this is 14. So it will be 70 plus 186 over 5, which is 256 over 5. Matter of calculation. Okay, this one, 0 of 1 over square root of 3 will be x squared minus 1. I have x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1. By the way, this is okay since 1 is not in this interval. Huh? So it will be from 0 to 1 over square root of 3. I cancel this with this. I have 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. And that will be tan inverse of x from 0 to 1 over square root of 3. What is tan inverse? 1 over square root of 3 minus tan inverse of 0. This is 0. Tan inverse 1 over square root of 3. That will be what? Sine half means pi over 6 minus 0, which is pi over 6. That is it. Okay. I need g prime. G prime of x will be what? 1 plus 2x sine 1 plus 2x times the derivative of this, which is 2. Let me give it a space. So g prime of x, I substitute instead of t, that function, 1 plus 2x sine 1 plus 2x, derivative of 1 plus 2x, which is 2, minus. Now the other one, 1 minus 2x sine 1 minus 2x, derivative of this, which is minus 2. Okay, g prime at 0. That will be 1 sine 1 times 2 minus 1 sine 1 times minus 2. So it will be 2 sine 1 plus 2 sine 1, which is 4 sine 1. What is sine 1? I don't care. That will be the answer. So in the square, that will be 1 to 2, 1 plus 2x plus x squared over x squared dx. So it will be 1 to 2. Yeah, x is minus 2 plus 2 plus 2, x is minus 1 plus 1 dx. So that gives me what? Minus 1 over x plus 2, then absolute value of x plus x. I want this from 1 to 2. So it's minus half plus 2 then 2 plus 2 minus 1, 2 then 1, which is 0, plus 1. So this is 0, who cares? 2 minus half, that would be 3 over 2, plus this I go as a power, that will be then 2 square, which is then 4. So this is my answer. Okay. Okay. Now absolute value of sine x between 0 to 3 pi over 2. This is sine x. So I have a problem here with the value. So before pi it's positive, then it will go negative. So I have 0 to pi absolute value of sine x dx plus pi to 3 pi over 2 absolute value of sine x dx. Now this is positive inside the absolute value. This one negative. So it will be from 0 to pi sine x dx and pi to 3 pi over 2 minus sine x dx. Okay, let us do the calculation الآن. Minus cosine x from 0 to pi. Here plus minus minus, so it will be plus from pi to 3 pi over 2. Substitute now. We have minus cosine pi minus, which is plus cosine 0, plus that will be cosine 3 pi over 2 minus cosine pi. Okay, that will be cosine pi is minus 1, that will be 1 plus 0 minus minus 1. That will give me 3, which is this. So it's a matter of calculation. X minus 1 cubed. Okay, that will be 1 to 2. I will open this. X cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1, or minus 1, sorry, minus 1, all over x squared dx. That will be 1 to 2, x minus 3 plus 3x minus 1 minus x minus 2 dx. That will be x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 3, then absolute value of x. I add 1. That will be plus 1 over x. Okay. X to the power minus 1, which is 1 over x. Huh? So you get this from 1 to 2. Yeah, let us do the calculation. 2 minus 6 plus 3 then 2 plus half minus half minus 3. 3 then 1 is 0 plus 1. So I'm getting what? 2 minus 6, this is minus 4. Half minus salama. This is minus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 minus plus 3 then 2, which is minus 2 plus 3 then 2, which is this one. Okay. Find f at 4. So first I need to find f of x. How to find f of x? Differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides. To get what? Derivative of this, product rule. I have what? Sine of pi x plus x, derivative of this, which is cosine pi x times pi. That should equal to what? F of x squared times 2x. Now to find f of 4, I have of x squared. So let x equal 2. Let us see what will happen. So I have sine 2 pi, which is 0, plus 2 cosine 2 pi times pi equal f at 4 times 4. So this is 0. This is 1. So I have 2 pi equal 4 f at 4. So f at 4, 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2. Which is this? Is concave up. When I have concave up, it means I need f double prime positive. It means we need to find f double prime. How to find f double prime? Or y? Let me call it f of x. So I need to find f prime. What will be f prime? Just find using the fundamental theorem of calculus. I have x squared plus 1 over square root of x. In other words, x to the power 3 over 2 plus x to the power minus half. But I'm looking for what? I'm looking for f double prime. Means I need to differentiate this. F double prime would be 3 over 2, x is half, minus half, x is minus 3 over 2. Okay. And I need to simplify this one. So that, and I have the things from 1, huh? That will be what? Half x is minus 3 over 2 times 3x squared, huh? X squared minus 3 over 2 is half. 3x squared. I took half. That will be minus 1. So it is 3x squared minus 1 over 2 x to the power 3 over 2. I want this equal to 0. So I'm getting x squared equal 1 over 3. So I'm getting x equal plus or minus 1 over square root of 3. But I'm working from 1 to infinity. So I have, I want to check this. Where I have, I have minus 1 over square root of 3, 1 over square root of 3. What I'm caring about is from 1. Okay, so for sure, this is 3x squared minus 1. That will be positive, that will be negative, that will be positive. So it is up from 1 to infinity. This one. Actually, I have it everywhere here, but I'm concerned about from 1 to infinity. So from 1 to infinity. Okay. First, I need to rewrite it. I say d over dx of minus 1 to 1 minus 3x u cubed over 1 plus u squared du. Differentiate now. That will be minus. I have what? 1 minus 3x cubed over 1 plus 1 minus 3x squared. Open this. 1 minus 3 squared, 1 squared, 3x. No. I'm getting the answer. No, wait a minute. All of this times minus 3. I'm getting the answer. No need, huh? But I forget to integrate this, huh? I need to integrate this. So that gives me 1 minus 3x cubed over 1 plus 1 minus 3x squared. No need to do the calculation. That's it. But I forget this one. Okay. F prime will be 3 over x cubed plus 3, derivative of this, which is 3x squared. So that give me what? 9x squared over x to the power 9 plus 3, which is this one. F prime will be e x squared, derivative of x, which is 1, minus e square root of x squared, square root of x squared, derivative of square root of x, which is 1 over 2 square root of x. Now, f prime at 4 will be e to the power 16, 4 squared, 16. This is e to the power x, so e to the power 4, 1 over 4. So e to the power 16 minus e to the power 4 over 4, which is this one. Okay, almost the last two questions. The largest open interval in which g is decreasing. And what is this? This is the graph of f. This is f. So if you notice from the mean value, from the fundamental theorem of calculus, g prime will be what? F of x. And to check decreasing, I want to check when g prime to be negative. So I need to check when f is negative. And when f is negative, from the graph, very clear, from 0 to 4, f is negative. So this would be my answer. Easy one. Just applying the fundamental theorem of calculus, decreasing. He makes two things in one question. I think it's very easy. Okay, I want to x minus 5 when this is 0, implies x equal 5 over 2. Okay, so I split the integral from 0 to 5 over 2. That's from 5 over 2 to 5. From 0 to 5 over 2, this is negative, and this is positive. So this will be integral from 0 to 5 over 2, 5 minus 2x dx. And this one from 5 over 2 to 5, 2x minus 5 dx. That will be 5x minus x squared from 0 to 5 over 2 plus x squared minus 5x from 5 over 2 to 5. Let me do the calculation. That will be what? 25 over 2 minus 20 minus 25 over 4 minus 0 plus. This is 25 minus 25 minus 25. No. Minus 25 over 4 minus 25 over 2. This is 0. 25 over 2 minus 25 over 4. That will be what? This is 50 over 4 minus 25 over 4. That will be 25 over 4 minus this one minus 25 over 4. So I have 50 over 4, which is 25 over 2, which is this one. The last one, since the next things will be different things about the net change and about this displacement and what they call the total distance. Okay, let me do this one quickly. F prime at x, that will be sine x cubed squared times derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared. So capital F prime at 1, that will be sine 1 times 3, which is 3 sine 1. That will be the answer. Okay. Let me stop the recording. Yeah, since later I will have a new topic. Okay. Thank you.